What's up? Here is another one. Stay connected. So now we have the number one. You should know this representative element. And we have the transition element. Okay? So now, elements having outermost shell, we have the SPDF, okay? Right? SPDF, okay? You should know about this. So, elements having the outermost shell in the S and P orbitals, okay? S and P orbital are representative elements. Then elements having their outermost shell in the D or F orbital are transition elements. Under transition elements, we have inner transition and outer transition. Inner transition and outer transition, okay? And outer transition. So now, what does this whole thing help us to know? It helps us, it gives more information than the traditional method of classification of elements. So now, this method of classification of element, SPDF, representative element, transition element, helps us to know which elements are colored. For example, I may ask you right now, is sodium colored? You would be able to give me the answer using normal KLMNO. KLMNO doesn't help you detect or predict the color of the elements, but this method helps you predict the color of the elements. For example, we know that all transition elements are colored, with very, very few exceptions. All transition elements are colored. All representative elements are not colored. So you see it right now. So any elements having outermost shell in S orbital, P orbital are not colored. Then elements having the outermost electron in the D or F orbitals are colored. So this helps you really predict the color of elements. Okay, so this method of classification is better than the traditional method, which is the KLMNO. This is just the benefit of the SPDF above. This is all we have for this free lesson. This is a bit advanced. This is Cigar Science, and make sure you always stay connected.